How to make the outfits for Star Trek themed parties. My first Star Trek party. You may find you don't have the specific items. Look around your closet for a similar item. It doesn't have to be exact. Here is the crew uniform for ladies. This dress in blue also works. James Kirk was beamed up into this Star Trek party. Here is the crew uniform for the guys. We all know who this is. Here is the outfit for Spock. And the outfit for Spock's mother. Oh no! It's a Klingon! Here is a Klingon outfit. Live long and prosper.